Alright, what's up YouTube? So I just started another build. O3 Limited. So it's gonna be a complete OEM build. So I'm gonna need a bunch of OEM parts. So I was not supposed to do a video on that bike, but I told myself, why not? Some of you all enjoy it, so everything is new, built to OEM spec, like every part are OEM. Like it's a clean unit. I got lucky on a few NOS parts, like the fenders, spindles, and shit like that. West spindle knuckle. NOS parts, I like them. They're a bit cheaper, but they're a bit more expensive. But it is what it is. When you need, you need. So that's where I'm at right now. So the frame is actually painted to an OEM match MBL2. So it's a matte black finish, almost matte black. It's more like a semi. Swing arm is powder coated. I love that silver. Brand new shock. Rebuild rear shock. Yeah, it's a nice bike. It's coming along well. I'm still waiting on a couple parts. I do have a lot. Some are here. Some is here. Nuts and bolts. Kicker. So I do have a bunch of parts for it. The engine's actually which one is it? I think it's that one here. Yeah, I think it's that one here. Probably sure. Anyway, I will keep you guys posted. Like I say, I was not planning on doing a video on that bike, but a lot of people enjoy it, so I will do another. I'm just gonna do one video. I'm not gonna do a build series on it. I'm gonna do a long one video. So, like I'm not lying when I say everything is new. Everything is new. Those are actually hard to get. Those are discontinued. So, yeah, a lot of little parts are discontinued. It's kind of crazy when you build a OEM stock bike. You need a lot of OEM parts, that's what I mean. Anyway, I'm gonna keep you guys posted as soon as I do progress. Okay, so here we're at upper arm on, bumper, handlebars, new brake switch, kill switch, grip, new ignition, mount, and key. Yeah, I was just about to mount my tires. Yeah. I'm actually working on a couple bikes at the same time, doing that restoration, quick flip. So I'm just detailing those bikes and anyway, off subject. I'm actually installing the tire. So give me a second, I'm gonna rim a couple tire and I'll come back to you shortly. But like you can see, mint. It's in really, I'm not gonna say really good shape. It's gonna be a brand new freaking bike when I'm done, like all of them. It's a nice zinc. Oof. Anyway, that's about it for now. Okay, so axle is on, both hub, well actually all four hub, wheel hub, sprocket hub, disc hub, everything's installed, freshly zinc. Can't go wrong with freshly zinced part, look good. Radiator is on, handlebars, key mount. So yeah, it's coming along pretty well. Everything is new, all new. Like I said, was not planning to do a video on that bike, but it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna get some more parts on the bike and I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, so we got a complete roller. Four wheels are on, brakes are on. I still need to bleed them, front and rear. Yep, pretty clean bike. Yep, Canadian reflector. That's gonna be a sweet bike. Everything new. So engine is here. We got a OEM crank, OEM stator, OEM seal, gasket. Everything is pretty much OEM. So yeah, I'm almost ready to put it in the chassis. I'm probably gonna do that today. Yeah, like I say, it's gonna be a sweet bike. Anyway, I'm gonna do more work on it and I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, so we got a running roller. What that means, complete roller with a running engine. So I did do the first heat cycle. Ran amazing. Oh yeah, can't go wrong with everything brand new, eh? Bike is almost done. Still got the airbox to install. Couple little knickknacks here and there. Plastic decals. It's off. But it did came out great. It looked really good. Should start within one kick. I should. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the bike up tonight or tomorrow, and I guess I'm gonna finish the video at the same time. But anyway, it's almost done, boys. Now that's a good looking bike. Plastics are on. Just putting them decal graphic on. Oh yeah. Gonna be a sharp looking bike. Alright, so bike is basically done. All I need to do is install my OEM seat cover and change that little clip. I'm gonna show you. So I got that OEM seat cover. And I got the latch. That's the only thing I got to do on the bike. So anyway, here's the final result. Bike look wicked. I don't know, but I don't know about you, but I love those O3 limited edition. They look good. Black on yellow, yes, look pretty good. So everything is OEM, beside the graphic, and customer wanted the wheel powder coated black, so we got powder coated the wheels. It does look good like that. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, bike came out great. Won't lie. It's a clean unit. Well, everything's new. It better fucking be clean. And when I say OEM, built to OEM spec, you're even getting the stock brand new. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at those. NOS dealer's label. Got a deal on eBay, bought a bunch of them, so they're going on my OEM restored bikes. So each restored bike gonna get one. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little walk around and a little startup in a few minutes, and I guess that's gonna be it for that one. Oh, focus. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna put a video of it running right now.